Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone actually supports dual SIM, physical plus eSIM, or 2 nano SIMs. Once confirmed, power off and insert both cards into their correct trays, labeling them SIM1 and SIM2 so you won't mix them up. After restarting, go straight to Settings, then Network and Internet, and tap SIMs. This first step registers carriers. It's why you must insert and boot first. The system detects each profile and presents options to configure them. Now you assign how each SIM is used. In the SIMs menu, pick the default for mobile data, default for calls, and default for SMS. This controls which line is charged or billed for what. Make sure to rename each SIM for quick recognition, enable VO LTE if available, and check the APN settings if data won't connect. Finally, select preferred network types for each slot, and set automatic or manual data, switching so calls aren't dropped when data needs to swap between lines. Finish by testing both lines. Make a call, send an SMS, and browse with mobile data on each SIM to confirm functions work as expected. Then personalize. Assign a default SIM per contact, and use the Quick Settings tile to switch active SIMs fast. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step Toggle Airplane Mode for 10 seconds, then recheck. If that fails, power down and reinsert the SIM. And as a last resort, reset network settings. This clears conflicts while keeping your data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.